What's up guys, my name is Andrew. I like to talk about men's health, men's grooming, men's fashion, and in today's video I want to share with you something personal, and that's this hairstyle, the curly undercut, and how I was able to achieve this kind of hairstyle. First up, you need to wash your hair, obviously. Washing your hair is gonna clean off the unnecessary oils from all the bacteria, all the mess that have been on the hair. And so after washing your hair and using a shampoo and a conditioner, then what I use is an essential oil, okay? I think essential oils is something that every single person should use on their hair because it just makes your hair more healthy. It just makes like a healthy structure. And so first I make it more dry and then I apply the essential oil to make it more healthy. Then the next step is that you need to blow dry your hair, okay? This is when you're gonna see that if you want to achieve like any kind of hairstyle and you don't want to have a complete mess on your head, like you're gonna have to blow dry your hair. Doesn't matter if it's a curly undercut, which is kinda an insane hairstyle. Like when you look at it, it's quite insane, you know, the top, and it's more of like a natural look. But the thing is, you need to blow dry your hair because you don't want to have a complete uncontrollable mess. That's what happens when you don't blow dry your hair and you leave your hair wet. Then you go to bed, let's say, and then all that wet will stay on your pillow, and from that pillow, like you're gonna transfer that to your face and to your hair again, and your hair might not be even dry when you wake up in the morning because the wetness is on the pillow. So what I would do is I would always use a blow dryer. You're gonna blow dry your hair, and if you want to accomplish this exact hairstyle, this curly undercut, then you have to blow dry the sides of the head and the back of the head, okay? The sides and the back, completely dry it, and then you're gonna move to top. And what is important is that you can use the blow dryer on the sides and on the top as well, but what you can't use on the top is the hair comb, okay? If you use the hair comb on the top, like you're not gonna be able to achieve natural curls, and it's not gonna be a true undercut, okay? So what you want to do is to blow dry your hair on the top as well, but use your hands, okay? Use your hands to make the curls more natural. So you want to dry out the top of your hair as well with the blow dryer, which I have right here. So you can use like any blow dryers. There are so many of them. Most of them will work because a lot of the times most of them do the same job. Just blow dry your hair and it gets drier. So just blow dry it. Then you're gonna use your hands to make it curly. You're gonna make the curls go forward, okay? If you have like crazy curls and when you blow dried it, it's super like curly and you don't want to have this much of a curly hairstyle, then you can use a little bit of the hair pump, but I would be careful with this thing because when you overuse this, then the natural curls are not going to be that much visible. So use your hands to get the curls in front of, and then you're going to achieve eventually the curly hairstyle when you blow dry your hair. You can finish it up when you blow dry it with your hands. I can still like do this, let's say. So it's pretty flexible still. There are many things that you can apply to make it stick, you know, some gels. You can use those. That's basically it. That's how you accomplish the curly undercut hairstyle that I am rocking right now. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can learn and apply and get the curly undercut if you are a guy with curly hair. This is one of the trendiest hairstyles right now, most trendy hairstyle on TikTok right now. So if you want to get this kind of hairstyle, I'll definitely go for it, because you might not know what you can accomplish with this kind of hairstyle. I think it's really fun to try out some new things and like new hairstyles. Experiment with your hair. I think that's something a man should take care of and should be styling it, because a lot of men are not even taking care of that. So you need to take care of your hair. By trying various different hairstyles, you can accomplish something like this curly undercut in less than 5 minutes. That's all from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a guy with curly hair, definitely try this hairstyle. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.